Imagine a place born from fire where creatures show no fear. This is the Galápagos Islands, a wild volcanic cluster far out in the Pacific. Stepping ashore feels like entering another world. The air hums with a unique primal energy. Here, nature is raw and untamed. The mystery of the Galápagos is everywhere, in the ancient eyes of giant tortoises and the calls of strange birds. Once called Las Encantadas, the Enchanted Isles, they rose from the ocean sculpted by volcanic fury. Centuries of isolation allowed life to evolve in ways found nowhere else. It's a living museum of evolution, a place that whispers secrets of life itself. Black volcanic rocks meet turquoise waters, white beaches are dotted with sea lions, marine iguanas bask on rocks, blue-footed boobies dance on the sand. The Galápagos isn't just a destination, it's an awakening, showing life in its purest, most resilient form. Here, animals are fellow inhabitants, unafraid and undisturbed. In this world, humans are visitors, privileged to witness such wonders. The Galápagos is a jewel of our planet, a place where the wild spirit of nature endures. It's a world apart, and once you've seen it, you're changed forever. The Galápagos archipelago lies 1,000 kilometers off Ecuador's coast, right on the equator. Its remoteness is key, nature's own laboratory, far from major human influence. Each island is a unique experiment with its own cast of characters. Travelers dream of visiting not just to see animals but to witness evolution in action. It's a place that changed our understanding of life on Earth. For wildlife lovers, it's paradise. Swim with sea lions, walk among giant tortoises, marvel at diverse bird life. These are wild, real encounters, an adventure for the soul. The journey itself feels like an expedition, preparing you for something extraordinary. Once there, you enter a world governed by nature's rules. Respect for wildlife and the fragile environment is paramount. This is a dream destination for responsible travelers, those eager to learn, be amazed, and support conservation. The islands are a living testament to nature's power. Formed by volcanic eruptions, they're geologically young. New land is still being created. This dynamic environment shapes the life that calls it home. Plants and animals here are masters of adaptation, surviving in harsh conditions from arid lowlands to misty highlands. Visiting the Galápagos is like stepping into a living, breathing biology textbook. It's education and adventure rolled into one. The diversity is astonishing, the lessons unforgettable. Every visit deepens your connection to the natural world. The Galápagos is a place where curiosity is rewarded at every turn. It's a journey that stays with you long after you leave. Welcome to Earth's living laboratory. The Galápagos Islands hold a monumental place in science thanks to Charles Darwin. In 1835, Darwin visited as a young naturalist aboard HMS Beagle. 5 weeks here changed his life, and the world. He noticed that similar species like finches differed from island to island. Their beaks varied, each adapted to different food sources. This observation sparked the idea of evolution by natural selection. The island's unique wildlife provided powerful evidence. Tortoises, mockingbirds, iguanas all told a story of adaptation and change. Isolation and environmental pressures led to new species. Darwin's ideas challenged the established views of creation. The Galápagos became the crucible for his revolutionary theory. On the origin of species shook the scientific world, with the islands at its heart. Darwin showed that life is not static, it evolves, adapts, diversifies. Today, scientists still study the Galápagos, uncovering new insights into evolution and conservation. Darwin's legacy lives on here. The islands remain vital for understanding the fabric of life. Every discovery builds on the foundation Darwin laid. The Galápagos is where science and wonder meet. It's a place that changed how we see the world. The Galápagos wildlife is legendary, with many species found nowhere else. Giant tortoises, icons of the islands, roam ancient landscapes. Darwin's finches with their unique beaks showcase evolution in action. Birdlife abounds with waved albatross and blue-footed boobies. Marine iguanas, Earth's only seagoing lizards, dive for algae. Playful sea lions swim with snorkelers. The wildlife's fearlessness allows for close encounters. It's a reminder of undisturbed nature, placing responsibility on us to protect their trust. Every encounter is a lesson in adaptation and the wonder of evolution. The Galápagos is a sanctuary where nature's wonders are on full display. Protecting this living testament to nature is our shared responsibility. This is wildlife as it should be, wild, free, and fearless. The Galápagos landscapes are as unique as their animals born from volcanic eruptions, shaped by time. Some islands are still active with fresh lava flows and dramatic lunar-like terrain. Towering cliffs, calderas, and lava tunnels tell the story of the island's violent birth. The flora is equally remarkable: plants adapted to arid conditions like tree-sized prickly pear cacti. In the highlands, Scalesia daisy trees form lush forests. Each island and even different zones has its own plant communities, from coastal mangroves to humid highlands. Many plant species are endemic, evolving in isolation. These plants are the foundation of the island's ecosystems. Exploring these landscapes is an adventure: lava fields, green forests, stark coastlines. The land shapes the life here, making the Galapagos a true natural wonder. Charles Darwin wasn't the first explorer here. The islands were discovered in 1535 by Fray Tomás de Berlanga, whose ship drifted off course. He described the harsh landscape and tame animals. His account was the first written record. For centuries, the Galapagos were a haven for pirates and whalers, who left their mark and hunted tortoises. Post Office Bay on Floriana Island became a legendary stop, where sailors left letters for homebound ships, a tradition that continues with tourists today. Darwin's 1835 visit aboard HMS Beagle was pivotal, but Captain Fitzroy's detailed charts were also crucial. The Beagle's voyage put the Galapagos on the scientific map. Later, scientists like William Beebe and the Grants deepened our understanding of evolution here. Their research revealed evolution in action, especially among Darwin's finches. Each explorer and scientist helped unravel the island's secrets. Their work highlighted the Galapagos' immense value and the urgent need for conservation. The island's history is written in every footprint, every discovery. Today, the Galapagos is a living legacy of exploration and science. Its story is still being written. Every visitor becomes part of that story. The past and present meet on these volcanic sands. The future depends on what we do next. The Galapagos Islands are a global treasure, and tourism is both a blessing and a challenge. It's vital to the local economy, but the island's ecosystems are fragile. How do you welcome visitors while protecting this unique environment? Strict rules are in place: certified guides, controlled visitor numbers, and designated trails. The focus is on small-scale, eco-friendly tourism. Live-aboard boats often have a lower impact than hotels. Conservation efforts are ongoing, eradicating invasive species, breeding endangered animals, and protecting marine life. Education is key. Locals and visitors learn the importance of conservation. The goal is sustainable tourism benefiting communities, supporting conservation, and providing unforgettable experiences. Economic pressures are real, but the commitment to protect the Galapagos is strong. Many tour operators contribute directly to conservation. Visitors can help by choosing responsible operators and following the rules. Everyone becomes an ambassador for Galapagos conservation. This careful balance is crucial for the island's future. The Galapagos must remain a place where nature comes first. Tourism, done right, can help protect this fragile Eden. The island's survival depends on responsible choices by all of us. Every visit is a chance to support conservation. The magic of the Galapagos endures only if we protect it. Let's keep this wild paradise thriving. The future is in our hands. Beyond tourism, the Galapagos faces a grave threat: climate change. Rising sea temperatures disrupt the marine food web. Cool currents are vital for life here. El Niño events have already caused declines in marine iguanas, penguins, and sea lions. Ocean acidification threatens corals and plankton, impacting entire reef ecosystems. Even small changes ripple through the intricate web of life. Shifts in rainfall bring droughts or floods, affecting unique plants and the animals that depend on them. Endemic species adapted to specific conditions are especially vulnerable. The Galapagos National Park and Charles Darwin Foundation are researching these impacts and building resilience. Protecting key habitats and restoring degraded areas are crucial steps. But the ultimate solution is global reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The fate of the Galapagos is tied to the health of our planet. These islands remind us that even the most remote places are not immune. Protecting them requires worldwide effort. Every action counts, local and global. The Galapagos is a warning and a hope. Its survival depends on what we do now. The world is watching. Let's not let this wonder slip away. Visiting the Galapagos is more than a holiday, it's a journey that changes you. Walking among fearless animals is a profound experience, a glimpse of harmony between species. Here, life is stripped to its essentials: survival, adaptation, resilience. You leave with a renewed sense of wonder and a deeper understanding of our place in nature. The islands are a living laboratory and a sanctuary, evolution's masterpieces on full display. Giant tortoises, marine iguanas, blue-footed boobies, each is a symbol of life's creativity. They are a heritage for all humanity. Losing them would be an unimaginable tragedy. The challenges are immense tourism, invasive species, climate change, but the will to protect the Galapagos is strong. Scientists, conservationists, locals, and visitors all play a part. We can support sustainable tourism, reduce our carbon footprint, and raise our voices for conservation. The future of these enchanted isles depends on collective action. The Galapagos reminds us of what we stand to lose and inspires hope. Nature's resilience and the power of evolution are on display here. This place is a treasure, a beacon of biodiversity. Let its story inspire us all. Let's work together to ensure the Galapagos continues to enchant and educate generations to come. Let's keep this wild magic alive. The responsibility is ours. The time is now. Forever.